Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nelsie. I am a certified personal trainer and a certified nutrition coach. So today I'm bringing you guys a video of me organizing my vegan fridge. I would say vegetarian because I do eat eggs, so vegetarian fridge. And I have behind me all the things I'm going to be using to organize it and make it look aesthetically pleasing. And I just went to the grocery store and got a whole bunch of groceries, so I'm really excited for that. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never miss a video. So let's get into it. So behind me is everything that I'm going to be using, like I said, but for real, let me show you guys what I'm working with. This fridge is a hot mess. Y'all ready? Oh my God, I'm embarrassed. I'm truly embarrassed. But guess what? I let it get this dirty so that I could, transform it. So basically, this is what we're working with. I have some organization stuff that I bought previously, but never really organized it. And this is the doors. Excuse that stuff over there. And then this is the other door. So as you can see, everything is all over the place. It's not organized. It's pretty basic and ugly. And yeah, so that's why we're here today, to organize and make sure that that is no more. Anyways, so over here I have all of the bins. I have a Lazy Susan and some containers for juice. I have some milk containers already in the refrigerator. And then some more containers, just more containers. And by the way, everything that you see in this video is from TJ Maxx. I don't have any links. I believe TJ Maxx does have an online store where you can purchase things. I'm gonna go on their website, look and see if I can find any links for the things I have. If I don't, then you're just gonna have to go to TJ Maxx, honey, because their things come and go. So some of the stuff that I found previously were not there when I went there last night. So you're just gonna have to run there and get the things you need. But I find it a lot cheaper to go on TJ Maxx than to shop on Amazon for these things, or the Container Store, which is what I was going to do originally. So I would definitely go to TJ Maxx.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God. When it gets hard, I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home.
Okay, so this is what I have so far. I removed everything and I'm just basically washing. Still have to do the doors, and I don't know what this is and why it came off, but I'm not sure. I'll figure it out. So basically I have to clean. This is like all of the things that was in the fridge. I have to wash them in the sink. And then here's another one back down here. So that's basically it. For the water, if you guys saw, I used what did I use? Oh my God, I used some Dawn soap. I also put a dishwasher pod in there with some vinegar. I'm gonna add some bleach so that I can clean the fridge, and then I'm gonna get clean water and add bleach so that I can rinse it off. I just poured boiling hot water in here, and then I'm gonna add some cold to cool it off, and then I'm going to just rinse everything off. Took all the, what do you call these, shelves off. Everything's off. Everything's pretty much cleaned. Now I just need to rinse it off and put everything back as soon as I wash everything. So as you can see, everything is still here. I still have to wash them. And then the other thing left to do, which I probably should have done first, now that I realized, is to wash these and then remove these little stickers. You guys know how hard it is to remove TJ Maxx stickers. Okay, so it's been a minute. It's been a minute, guys. This is taking longer than I expected. Good thing I didn't have anything else to do today. So everything here is washed and cleaned pretty much. You can see it's a mess. So anyways, what I have left to do now is put everything inside the fridge. So we're basically done. I'm happy about that. So let's do that. Okay, so this is what I have pretty much done, is just setting up everything and where everything will go. Sorry, it's kind of dark. And the bottom bins, the middle, and then up here I had to move some things around to get everything to fit. But now the only thing left to do is put in these shelves right here, and then we're gonna get to organizing. You guys, this is taking forever. It's a mess in here, but we're getting through it. I really wish I had better lighting to show you guys how gorgeous this looks. I need to invest into a ring light or something, but this looks amazing. All right, so let's get into organizing. I have to wash all of this fruit, and oh my gosh, this is gonna take me all night. Let's get into it though.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh.
Okay guys, so far this is what it's looking like. I have the grapes in here with the peaches and apples, strawberries and blueberries, and I already had tomatoes and green and bell peppers in here, mangoes in here, kiwi, eggs, and then I have oranges and papaya, and then in here I have my limes and lemons, and down here I have some beets and avocados and some random stuff in here for now. All right guys, so this is the finishing product. So here's a quick little tour. In here I have my kale, lemons and limes, oranges, and I have a papaya back there. And in this drawer I have carrots. I'm also gonna keep celery in here. And then I have my eggs, kiwi, some mangoes in here. And right here I have grapes, peaches, and apples. And then, like I said before, berries are in here with some red bell peppers and tomatoes. And in here I have spinach. And in this drawer here I have my ginger, some beets, and some avocados. And then here I have broccoli, one jalapeno, and a leftover avocado. So this is where the juice is going to be kept if I make juice in bulk. Right here I'm going to keep my green onions and cilantro. And then in this drawer I just have my hummus and dates. And then this drawer, Lazy Susan, I keep just condiments and stuff like that. Here I'm gonna have my juices, so when I juice I'm gonna keep it here. I'm undecided with this one. It's just gonna be miscellaneous things. And in here I have my plant milk. So once I buy the milk, I transfer it into these glasses. And that's pretty much it for the fridge, guys. I want to thank you so much for watching. I'm not gonna lie, I did get lazy towards the end because I got overwhelmed with this mess. So I hope you guys did enjoy this chaotic video. Like this video and subscribe and hit the bell so that you never miss a video from me. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.